Welcome back, Quizzers! This is Quiz Rush, and today you'll be joining Quizzy for a fun Would You Rather quiz. You will need to decide which food looks better to you: fried chicken or fries, sour worms or candy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Would you rather pizza or burger? Would you rather fries or onion rings? Would you rather fried chicken or chicken nuggets? Would you rather hot dog or corn dog? Would you rather chocolate cake or brownie? Would you rather ice cream or milkshake? Would you rather donut or muffin? Would you rather cookies or chocolate bar? Would you rather potato chips or popcorn? Would you rather cheeseburger or double burger? Would you rather pepperoni pizza or cheese pizza? Would you rather waffles or pancakes? Would you rather soft serve or sundae? Would you rather nachos or tacos? Would you rather French fries or curly fries? Would you rather chicken wings or chicken tenders? Would you rather cheesecake or chocolate cake? Would you rather gummy bears or sour candy? Would you rather popcorn or pretzels? Would you rather pizza slice or garlic bread? you rather bacon burger or chicken burger? Would you rather chocolate donut or glazed donut? Would you rather apple pie or cherry pie? Would you rather ice cream cone or popsicle? Would you rather potato chips or tortilla chips? Would you rather fried chicken or fried fish? Would you rather cheese fries or chili fries? Would you rather chocolate chip cookies or Oreo cookies? Would you rather caramel popcorn or butter popcorn? Would you rather cheeseburger or hot dog? Would you rather pizza or nachos? Would you rather donut or cupcake? Would you rather brownie or cookie? Would you rather milkshake or smoothie? Would you rather fries or hash browns? Would you rather chicken nuggets or mozzarella sticks? Would you rather cheese pizza or Hawaiian pizza? Would you rather vanilla ice cream or chocolate ice cream? Would you rather gummy worms or jelly beans? Would you rather chocolate bar or candy bar? Would you rather burger or burrito? you rather pizza or fried chicken? Would you rather waffles or French toast? Would you rather onion rings or mozzarella sticks? Would you rather chocolate brownie or cheesecake? Would you rather potato chips or cheese crackers? Would you rather chicken wings or BBQ ribs? Would you rather milkshake or ice cream sundae? Would you rather donut or chocolate chip cookie? Would you rather pizza or fries? Thanks for watching. Choose your next challenge, Quizzers, and good luck.